In recent years, habitat loss has been documented as a major force behind pollinator decline. These native pollinators include many different insect groups, especially wild bees. In the United States alone, over 4,000 wild bee species interact with our native plants, as well as playing a vital role in agriculture. Unfortunately, the abundance and distribution of these wild bees and other pollinators has declined over the past 50 years and continues to do so. Urbanization is a leading force of this habitat loss and shows no signs of slowing down. As green spaces become more valuable to humans and insects alike, scientists at the University of Florida are investigating how local golf courses can enhance the ecology of our urban landscape.
The roughs are areas of less frequently mowed grass surrounding the more meticulously maintained fairways and greens. To take advantage of these green spaces, our lab is investigating how to provide richer habitat for pollinators and other insects. We planted plots of wildflowers in out-of-play areas on 3 golf courses, comparing a plot of grass to a simple and complex species mix of wildflowers. To assess presence of foraging pollinators in these wildflower plots, we set out bee bowls and sticky cards each month to sample pollinator biodiversity and abundance.
We also set out nesting boxes of bamboo and wood blocks as habitat for solitary nesting bees. As bamboo and wood blocks get colonized, we collect them, bring them back to the lab, and rear them out to identify the species.
So far, we have found that wildflower plots attracted twice as many pollinators and 4 times as many natural enemies as maintained roughs. Interestingly, when compared to the less diverse wildflower plots, we see greater wildflower richness supporting nearly twice as many natural enemies and over 4 times the abundance of native bees. Maintaining the expansive out-of-play areas can be costly. By replacing some of these borders with native wildflowers, we aim to reduce the golf course's management costs while developing insect habitat and enhancing the landscape's beauty. Would you like to be involved? Try planting your own pollinator sanctuary and provide native bees with a nest box and bare soil for burrows. Learn how to identify pest and beneficial insects so you can minimize the use of pesticides. And finally, encourage your local golf course to get involved. Follow us as we continue our pollinator conservation research in one of the most rapidly urbanizing regions of the United States.